Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change your password on BitPay.com account. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Launch open a web browser to get started and type in BitPay.com into the search box. Once you end up in the official site for BitPay, which looks like this, make sure that you click the login button at the top right corner and log into your BitPay account by entering your credentials. After you are signed into your account, click on your email ID at the top right hand corner and in the pop-up click on Settings. Now, from the left-hand side menu, click on Security. Click on the Update button right next to Password as soon as you see this option. Now you'll need to enter your current password you're using for your BitPay account in the first text box. Once done, go to the next field and type in your new password you'd like to reset or change to. After it's done, click on Confirm, and then you have successfully changed your password for BitPay. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter this new password and you'll be able to sign into your account. So that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.